Do you want to turn your fish pond into a jaw-dropping fish paradise? Join me as I share the step-by-step process for building a simple but stylish raised brick fish pond on a budget that is sure to wow your outdoor space. I'll be sharing tips and showcasing different fish pond designs that are guaranteed to bring your pond and garden to life. Let's dive into the ultimate fish pond design guide and make your garden stand out. So here's the current state of my fish pond, and honestly it looks pretty horrible. It's just definitely not the focal point of this garden, and I really dislike how it looks right now. It's surrounded by stones which are not even, and it doesn't tie everything together, and it just feels a bit off. For this raised brick fish pond, I'm using building bricks that I got for free from Facebook Marketplace, which shows you don't need to break the bank to create something beautiful. Next, I went ahead and arranged the brick next to the pond. Make sure the bricks are nice and clean before you start laying them. If they're dirty, you have old mortar on them, you can use a hammer and chisel to clean them up yourself. It's pretty simple and will save you money. So I started by laying one layer of bricks all around the pond. It is a simple first step to get the basic shape down. This is how it looks from the side that I've done. I still have the other side to pour the bricks. Here are a few tips you need to consider when you come to building a raised brick fish pond. Make sure that you plan your design beforehand to determine the number of layers and shape. As for me, I'm going for 3 layers of bricks. And make sure you also use clean quality bricks for polished look, because that's what we're trying to achieve. And ensure that the bricks are leveled as you build each layer, so you can have that stability, and leave space for water flow and drainage if need be. In my case, I did not use mortar to secure the bricks, but if you're 100% sure this is the look you're going for, go ahead and use mortar so that you can have a permanent sturdy structure. And you can also leave some flexibility if you want to change the design later on down the line, so do bear that in mind. This is how the pond is looking after I've laid down the first layer of brick. As you can see, it's starting to take shape. It's starting to look a little bit neat and organized. And then I went ahead and added another layer of bricks around the first layer, just following the same pattern. Do let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts so far. And as I promised, here is the designs of how you can create your own fish pond. As you can see, here is a fish pond which is surrounded by a lot of plants and also features a waterfall, and this waterfall can also be used to oxygenate the water, which is beneficial for the fish health. And this is a multi-level fish pond where the water flows naturally between the levels, which creates a pleasant sound while maintaining circulation and oxygenation. Another design is this fish pond that features a fountain, which is perfect for those people who enjoy gentle sound of the flowing water, and you also add a visual appeal to the pond space. And this is a courtyard fish pond where the centerpiece of a central garden or courtyard, and this design brings about elegancy, and also it's surrounded by potted plants, stone pathway. And a courtyard pond is ideal for large homes or space where the pond can become the focal point. And this is a modern raised deck with a wooden deck. And this is a natural rock or stone pond. And finally, this is a Japanese style pond that has a small bridge on top. Hopefully I've been able to give you some food for thought by sharing various fish ponds design which might help you to enhance your existing pond or decide what type of fish pond you want to create. Now back to the raised brick fish pond I'm working on. As you can see, I've added another layer of bricks and I now have a total of 3 brick layers. As I mentioned earlier on, I decided to leave the bricks as they are, not secure with the mortar. I like to keep my options open because I tend to change my mind often. After some time, I might decide to try a different design, and leaving the bricks loose makes that easier for me to be able to change it. And while I was shooting this video, I caught this little bumblebee trying to pollinate the flowers, which I think is amazing. And that's why you should have a few plants around your garden or your pond to be able to attract insects. Then I went ahead and did a little bit of housekeeping on the pond and got rid of the dead plants and any algae that were hanging around, and just cleaned the pond using this fish net. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. As you can see, here's my pond. Is looking much better compared to how it was. I'm happy with how it turned out. I still need to get some net pegs and just pin the net to secure it properly. And the net is there to protect the fishes from predators. I also went ahead and added a little bit of plant pots around the pond. I'm going to add some more because plants tend to be perfect during summertime because they provide shade to the fish. And before the wildlife lovers come for me, yes, I have a few frogs chilling in the pond, but don't worry, I made sure to leave a little gap somewhere so that they can hop in and out whenever they want. So this is how my pond turned out. I am happy with it. It looks amazing. It looks nice and tidy and neat compared to how it was. And I think I'm going to keep this for a while before I change my mind. But for now, I am happy and I just need to add more plants around the pond. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.